Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So today we are here to discuss the lead code question, that's maximum erasure value. That's a lead code medium question. Basically, this question is average level, you can say array based question. Now let's see how you can implement it. So before beginning, I'd like to request you to please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And do let me know in comments if you want me to share any particular question, any particular interview experience or job opening or any question that comes up in your mind. I'll be happy to help you out. So the question is, the maximum erasure value says that we will be given a positive integer array, that's num, and we have to erase a sub-array that contains unique elements. Now the constraint says that, okay, first of all, we need to find the subarray, and the sum of all the elements of the subarray would be the score. The constraint here is the score should be maximum, and we have to erase only one subarray. Okay, that's just one subarray. Okay, see here, like we have this nums, we have 4, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now talking about the longest unique subarray. Let's not talk about the score for now. Longest unique subarray, that's this. So obviously if this is the longest and if we don't have any other that's competitive to the same length, then we'll add the sum, that's 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that's 17. So our score is 70, right? So we can take it in one way, but we need to find the maximum sum subarray with a constraint that all the elements should be unique. This could be other part. Now coming to the second one, we have 5, 2, 1, 2. Now there are so many subarrays. Talking about the maximum unique subarray, very first we got is 521, right? Secondly, again 212 not possible. Again we have 125. This can also be there. Again repeating, again like 521 comes up again and again, then 125. So we can see only two subarrays are there, 521 or 125, and the summation of both is same, that's 8. So both of them could. What we could do is, for the solution of this, let's see. We'll take two pointers, that's left and right. What we need to do is we need to traverse the array, right? So what we will do, we'll take two pointers, that's left and right, and we'll mark left with the 0 index and right also with the 0 index, and we'll traverse with a condition. Okay, and we have taken a set. Okay, I hope you all know what sets are for, like it stores only unique values. That's the very first thing you must know. So we are taking this just to check for the unique elements, right? So this is for the unique elements. Now what we'll do, we'll traverse right from 0 to n. Okay, and left is right now at 0. So what we would do is we'll first check, like we have 0. Oh, okay. Score and sum for now at 0. This is empty. Okay. We have the first element 4. We will check, does this set contain 4? No. If not, then we'll first add this to the set. We'll increment the sum, that sum is equals to sum plus this element. Now score, as said, score should be the maximum. So we'll check score would be maximum of score or sum. So maximum of score and sum is 4. This is the first iteration. Now, as this set wasn't containing this, now what we'll do, we'll move this right pointer to 2. Left is still at 0. Okay. What we'll do now, we have to, again we'll check, does this set contain 2? No. So what we'll do, we'll add this 2. We get this as 4 comma 2. Now sum is again this plus this, 6. Score should be maximum 4 or 6. Maximum is 6. Again we'll move this right pointer to 4. Now there comes again, does this 4 is already present in set? Yes, it is. So what we would do now, this is a thing that's somewhere violating a constraint, that's the unique element. So what we need to do is we'll remove this 4 from it. So now the set becomes only 2. As you find the repetition, remove this 2. Okay. Increment the left pointer by 1. Why? Because we found a repetition of this number, so we'll increment it by 1. That means now the length of the sub array has decreased by 1. Right? After removing, subtract it from the sum. Now 6 minus 2. Again, the sum becomes, sorry, 6 minus 4. 4 was the element that we removed. Yeah. So 6 minus 4, again, this is 2. Okay. The set is now 2. Sorry, the sum is now 2. Again, checking for the score. Okay. Score maximum. Maximum is obviously 6 for now. Now what we will do is checking about this element because we removed the earlier element. Checking about this element again. Does the set contain this? No. What we'll do, we'll add this. Earlier it was the first one and now it is the second one. Okay. Again, sum will now become 6. Again coming to the maximum. Maximum is obviously 6, so it remains the same. And right is incremented by 1. And left becomes 6. So the same way we'll go for 5, it will become 2, 4, 5. Sum will be incremented by 5, that becomes 11. Score is obviously maximum, so it will take 11. Again coming to the next iteration, 6. Again it will go by 6. The sum becomes 17. The score will also be maximum, that becomes 7. So you can see this is how we will move. This is the place where the left pointer was incremented. In this case, if they ask you what is the maximum length of the subarray, that could also be told by finding the size of the set or even by the difference between the left and right pointers, because left is now incremented here. Okay. You can see the first iteration, then for the second iteration, how things move from. Okay. In case there's some issue, please let me know. I hope this question is clear because we are just going with one iteration. We are having 2 pointers that will move up and we are using a set to check for the unique elements. Okay. Let's see the code for this. Now what I have done is I've stored the length of the subarray, score, sum and left and right pointers. Left has been initialized at 0 and right is the one which we are traversing. I'll take that and follow. Why I haven't increased it? Because if in case we find the duplicate, we are going to store it again and then increment. So this is why right plus plus is here. We'll check the conditions. If it is present, we'll remove it from the sum, remove it from the set and increment the left. And if not, then we'll store the right one. Check the score as maximum and add the right. Okay, and return the score. So if there is anything that still you couldn't understand or anything that you want to know, please let me know and try it out yourself. I would suggest you not to go up with the code. See the method, write your own code and try with the approach. Thank you. Keep following Tech Geek. Thank you so much.